Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Nohprah Premium Meghalaya.
Usembut miniramba ke jelau bekmi ikatan penroisor bahasnya balang dar hakar puai trik leber arajar pausan ulong beka market complex kebadan hayo Polo or Shna Pyndep no hau benai Nohprah arajar pausan hakajinya keram bekilar petai kubor bahasnya balang dar ulong badang shen daladihi ulalit jurep ya kan kompleks batlap bekidang don katu kat ni gijing Shna badang sateng
Almost. There is slightly some work is pending, and as soon as that clear, we will inaugurate.
So what will be the small form?
No, not yet decided. When inaugurate, everything will be new.
How many shops are there? If you can give us details.
No number of shop. I cannot give detail, but number of shop. But it's a big one.
So what is the plan, Mara? Like, do you plan to accommodate the
No, we
existing?
are yet to take a decisions how to go with it. Because before going for the EOI. Yeah, even this just after decision, I went for inspection. So I think by December we should be able to complete this project. Only then we'll streamline properly in such a manner there will be no crowded along the road, especially. Don't worry, you know that Hawker is on the job now, and there is something in the code also. So we will take action at a possible in appropriate manner.